Are you a beginner looking to start your own flower garden? Imagine the joy of nurturing your own blooms, the satisfaction of watching them flourish. This video will guide you through essential tips to kickstart your gardening journey. With a little knowledge and commitment, you too can have a beautiful flower garden to enjoy. First, it's crucial to select the right location for your flower garden. Consider a place with ample sunlight and well-draining soil. Neglecting these factors can lead to stunted growth or even disease. Remember, a good location is the foundation of a healthy flower garden. Next, you need to choose the right flowers for your garden. Consider your local climate and soil type, as well as your personal preference. For beginners, start with easy-to-grow flowers to gain confidence. Choosing the right flowers is key to a vibrant and thriving garden. Lastly, your flower garden will need regular care and maintenance. Regular watering, diligent weeding, and careful pruning are crucial. The key here is consistency. With consistent effort, your blooms will thrive. With regular care and attention, your garden will flourish. So, are you ready to start your flower gardening journey? Let's recap. The right location, selecting suitable flowers, and regular care are your keys to a thriving garden. Remember, nothing beats the joy of cultivating your own beautiful flower haven. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.